Good evening. I'm Peter Bartinik, a board-certified civil trial attorney practicing law here in Connecticut. Today's topic is drunk driving and the defense of a drunk driving case. What we'll talk about tonight, briefly, are the two cases within every case. Most people don't realize it, but there are two cases within any drunk driving case. There are two proceedings. There's two ways the state of Connecticut goes after you if you're charged with a case of drunk driving. Number one, there's the criminal proceeding. Number two, there's an administrative proceeding brought by the Department of Motor Vehicles. So you think of it this way. Proceeding number one is a criminal case, and that's the typical criminal case that you can imagine. The other side in the case is the state of Connecticut. The issues in the case are whether they can prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. You have all the rights in the Constitution to protect you in a proceeding like that. The penalties in a case like that include all of the slew of penalties that you might expect in a criminal case, include jail time, fines, a loss of license. These are things that come about, or any other penalties that a criminal judge can impose. That's the criminal case. The second phase in any drunk driving case is the administrative proceeding brought by the Department of Motor Vehicles. In that proceeding, what's at stake is your driver's license. The Department of Motor Vehicles can take away your license. The department can't put you in jail, but they can take away your license. The issues in that case are very specific. They're defined by regulation. The rules of evidence don't necessarily apply the way they would apply in a criminal proceeding, and your constitutional rights are just not the same there. So there's two ways the state goes after you. Number one is the criminal proceeding, and number two is the administrative proceeding brought by the Department of Motor Vehicles seeking to penalize your license. I hope this information is useful to you. Have a good afternoon.